everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a little bit of a haul for you. Bought from two different companies, some nail polish. It took a little bit to get here, unfortunately, but it's here now, and I am going to share with you everything that I got. So I'm going to open up these boxes and I will show you all of the polishes I got. So stay tuned. So first up we have from Painted Polish by Lexi. So I'm going to show you what I got from that first. She always includes little cute things in her boxes. So she included a little card that says, "You're pretty darn awesome for supporting small business. Thank you." And it's got a little sparkly back. And then she always includes little candies and stuff like that too. So that's really cute. Always nice packaging and stuff there. And I know that everything is secure because she puts it all in bubble wrap, which is also great because it takes a little bit to come to me in Canada because she's in the States. So I never know. I'm hoping that nothing will ever be broken, which I haven't had anything broken in any of my stuff, so that is always good. So let's get into the box. First, we'll start with the polishes that I got from the Birds of a Feather collection. So I got 4 of those from that collection. There is 5 in total. I just didn't get the one perfectly plum. I just like these ones the most. So I'm going to share with you all of these ones. So let's get into the swatches. First up is called Fluff My Feathers. It is a gorgeous flaky polish. This one features purple, turquoise, and jade color shifting flakies with a white crelly base. This one is beautiful. I am a sucker for flakies, which I'm sure if you've watched my channel, you know that already. So I have a swatch of that. I just did 2 coats of Fluff My Feather on a swatch stick. Look at that, it is so pretty. I love the rainbow flakies. Next up is a Toucan Tango. It is a bright turquoise with ultra holographic full coverage micro glitter. This one I was like, I have to get. Like, look at it, it is gorgeous. All of that beautiful glitter. I love this one. And I love this color. So this is, I did 3 coats of Toucan Tango just to see how opaque it would get. And I think it's pretty good with the 3 coats. And that's just over the swatch stick. Next up is Party Foul. It is a bright violet with ultra holographic full coverage micro glitter as well. So similar to the last one, but it is beautiful. Like, look at that color. It's got, you can see the purple in there. Beautiful, beautiful color. And I also did 3 coats of that one, so you can see it is pretty full coverage. Come on, camera. It's beautiful. I can't decide. I'm already looking at all my polishes and I don't know what I'm gonna wear. So that is that one. Next up is Pretty as a Peacock. Pretty as Peacock features purple, turquoise, green, gold shifting flakies in a clear base. So I just did it over a clear just so you can see, but I had to get this obviously because I don't have a rainbow flaky polish like this yet. I do have one that's kind of like that from KB Shimmer, but it's not the same colors, and I love these colors together. So that is the swatch, and I just did 1 coat so you can see all the different flakies in there. Gorgeous. This will look beautiful as a topper over lots of stuff. So that is all the ones I got from the Birds of a Feather collection. So now I'm going to show you a few other polishes that I got. So next up is Mermaid Masquerade. This is from the At Sea collection. This one is a rainbow of color shifting flakies in a teal crelly base. So it's really pretty as well. As you can see, I like the flakies. And I love the name of this one, Mermaid Masquerade. So I did 2 coats of that one, and it is pretty opaque, so I thought it was pretty good. That camera will focus. There we go. It's really nice. You can see lots of the different flakies in there. Alright, next up is Blanc State and Midnight Mischief. So I got both of these because I heard they were really good. I heard that they were good for stamping, and they did really good like one coaters for just bases and stuff. So Blanc State is a white cream that doubles as a stamping polish that is completely opaque over all colors including black. Wow, that's awesome. It's opaque in 1 to 2 coats depending on your application. So that is this one here. Just a good white there, which you can always use for lots of stuff. So I did it stamping with Midnight Mischief. So that is 1 coat of the white, and then that is Midnight Mischief stamped over top. So that covered really well because you can see the color of my swatch stick and you can't see it at all. So pretty good. And then I have Midnight Mischief, which is a super versatile classic 1-coater black polish that doubles as a stamping and water modeling polish. It is highly pigmented but won't stain at all, so that's pretty good. I'm reading this off of her website, by the way, just so you guys kind of get the full detail of the polishes. So that is Midnight Mischief, and you can see it is completely opaque over the swatch stick, and then I stamped the Blanc Slate over top. So both really good. Like, it didn't take much. The stamping was just me. I don't know about the stamping plate, but they picked up pretty well, and yeah, so I'm impressed with both of them. I'm glad that I got some white and black stamping polishes because I always seem to run out of those, and I always need a good base. So that is everything that I got from Painted Polish. So now we are going to move on to Bee's Knees Lacquer. Alright, so now we're up to Bee's Knees Lacquer. She also does an amazing job packing everything and making sure everything is secure, which I always appreciate because, like I said, they come from the States, so it takes a little bit to get for me. She included this little squishy thing. I think I have something like this from my last order. They're kind of cute, like they're different. So everyone always puts their little special touches on everything, which is always a nice thing to see. So I'm going to share with you the polishes I got. So the first one I got is called the Pack Survives. This one is inspired by the Starks. This is a bright violet polish with a strong red to green shimmer. And this is the swatch. So there's 2 coats on there, so you can see that red to gold shimmer. The camera's not focusing very well today. But yeah, it's a gorgeous purple. I think I could almost do 3 coats and then it would just be even darker, which would be nice too. So that is the Pack Survives. Next up, this is called Bunny Yip. This is a pale to pink to lime green to gold pastel multi-chrome with bright blue at the extremes. So that's a really neat one. I really like the label. She always puts like a little picture on there. That is Bunny Yip, and you can see like all of the colors going on there. I'm really into these multi-chrome polishes right now. I have a few from Bee's Knees Lacquer. So I have a swatch for this one. This is just over the swatch stick, but it looks different again on black and different colors. So that is Bunny Yip. You can see it's more like on the pink kind of side, but if you put it over different colors, which I'll do some pictures on my Instagram, you'll see some different stuff. Next up is Oogie Pogo, and this is a pastel multi-chrome sister to I Just Wanted a Sister, which I have that polish. Gorgeous, gorgeous polish. This is a green to purple pastel multi-chrome with some hints of gold at its extremes. All of the polishes, the Bunny Nip and the other 2 polishes I'm going to show after this are from the PMC collection. So this one is gorgeous. So you can see all the different colors over it. It is beautiful. I wanted this one at the Indie Expo, but then I changed my mind and then I didn't pick it up, and then I was like, oh, I definitely should have picked it up, and now I've got it. So I should have picked it up originally, but I don't know why I didn't. Probably because I spent too much money at that. Anyways, so this is a swatch of Oogie Pogo, so it's not really showing a lot of it right now, but when it's on over a different color you can probably see all the different stuff. But You can see some green and some gold and pink and kind of a purple in there, but really, really pretty. I'm excited to see what this one looks like over black and stuff like that too. So next up is Chesapeake Chessie. This one is inspired by a local cryptide. Chesapeake Chessie is a lime green to pink to pale to blue pastel multi-chrome in a nude base. So also a lot going on. They kind of look similar when I'm showing you by themselves, but I'll show you all the different polishes together and you'll see a difference. So this one, this is the swatch of that one. You can see it's a bit different and it's got more of a nude base, but really, really pretty as well. And I'm excited to see this one over black to see what kind of comes out too. Alright, so the next one I have here is called Ahoo. This is a gold to green to blue pastel multi-chrome with purple at its extremes, and just that bottle, like look at that. I think this might be my favorite out of the four, I think. But it is gorgeous. Like look at all of that going on in there. I love that color. So the swatch of that is, it comes off as more gold on the swatch, but I think when it's on your nails and over a different color, it might show a little bit different, but it looks beautiful as well. So I'll show you all the different polishes together so you can kind of see a difference. See, they all look different when you compare them all together. So we've got Chesapeake Chessie right here, then we got Ahoo, Ohipogo, and Bunny Yip. So they all have their own kind of different things, even though they kind of look similar when you have them by themselves, but well, I thought that anyways. But I'm excited to try them all. So that is everything I got. I did order one more polish from Bee's Knees, but unfortunately it got sold out. And there was a little bit of a thing, but that's okay. We got it all cleared up. But yeah, so that is everything for today. As always, thanks for watching, and look onto my Instagram to see some swatches of all of these polishes. And yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.